Now more than ever, people are rethinking what really matters. And this year has shown us that nothing is certain. And buying that cute 2020 planner was one of the worst investments. Possibly you got furloughed from your job. Maybe the company that you work for had to close down altogether. Maybe you get to work from home now, which means you have a whole extra hour in your day to finally work on that side business. Or possibly you're multi-passionate and have a bunch of things you want to do, but aren't sure which one to choose or how to monetize that. If any of those scenarios resonate with you, I want you to grab a notebook and we're going to go over something that I like to call your profitable purpose. First, I want you to jot down all the things that you really enjoy doing. Things that feel like play, things that come easy or naturally to you. Things that you would do regardless if you got paid to do them or not. Is it dancing, cooking, running marathons, doing handstands, designing handbags? Maybe it's taking care of your pet, teaching your pet how to do tricks. Second, out of the things that you jotted down, what are you really, really great at? What are the things that come so naturally to you that maybe you don't even realize how much further ahead you are than others? What's something that you got results for yourself in, or maybe for someone else? What are things that you have done that people have complimented you on, or they said, oh, can I pay you for that? Maybe you're excellent at baking and your friends always beg you to share your secret carrot cake recipe. Possibly you taught your dog how to stop barking, sit, stay, and do a really impressive party trick. Maybe you're so amazing at caring for plants that you've created a garden that looks like Alice in Wonderland. Possibly you're outstanding at playing the violin, which you taught yourself how to do as an adult. Take a few minutes and really think through this. And sometimes the things that we're so good at, again, we don't realize how much further along we are than others because we enjoy them so much and they come naturally to us. So, do you have your ideas jotted down? Yes? All right, so let's move on to the next step. Based on what you wrote down, I want you to choose your top 3 things and ask yourself, does this solve a problem? Does it fulfill a need? And would somebody actually pay you for it? For example, if you taught your dog how to stop barking, sit, stay, and do a party trick, that is super impressive and it solves a problem. People adore their pets as much as their own children these days, and if you can help somebody's furry friend stop barking at their shadow and do a party trick next time they're at the dog park, I am sure they would pay you a pretty good fee for that. All right, step number 4, our last step. Is it Googleable? Googleable. Are people actually Googling the thing that you have in mind? If we stick to the dog idea, for example, if you go on Google and search dog trick training, you'll see a bunch of things come up. There are YouTube videos, courses, blogs, even products. Now this is actually really good news. This means that there is a need for it. And sometimes when we see a bunch of other people are doing that, we think, oh, somebody's already done it. But here's the thing, there is room for you too. If you Google it and there's really not much information on your specific topic, it probably means there's not that much interest in it or a burning need for it. You could be the pioneer, but might be a challenging road ahead. All right, so now that we've narrowed it down, it's possible you're still left with a couple of options and you're not sure which to choose. So what could you do? You can, of course, ask friends and family what they prefer, or my favorite, put a poll up on Instagram and put cake baking or event design, rose garden care or floral design, astrology readings or meditation guidance. Now keep in mind, it's possible you'll have to try a few different things to find the one that actually sticks. I went from teaching ballet to teaching Pilates to getting certified in yoga until I finally decided to hone in on my niche of aerial arts. All right, do you have all your notes written down? To recap, let's go over the 4 steps to finding your profitable purpose. Step 1, what do you enjoy? Step 2, what are you really great at? Step 3, does it solve a problem or a need, and would people actually pay you for it? And step 4, is it Googleable? When it comes down to it, all businesses and entrepreneurs that are successful have one main thing in common. They see a problem and they solve that problem with a product or service that they offer. So tell me, what problem are you going to solve? That is your profitable purpose, my friend.